Good morning, everyone. Today, we will practice English speaking together with confidence, energy, and clear pronunciation. Speaking English daily improves fluency, vocabulary, and communication skills naturally. Do not worry about mistakes, because mistakes are part of learning and improvement. Every successful speaker once struggled with pronunciation, grammar, and confidence. The important thing is speaking regularly without fear. During this session, you will repeat sentences, practice expressions, and improve your listening skills. Try to speak loudly and clearly. Relax your mind, focus on every sentence, and enjoy this learning journey. Together, we will become confident English speakers through daily practice and positive thinking. Daily routine practice. Every morning, I wake up early and start my day with positive thoughts and fresh energy. First, I wash my face, brush my teeth, and drink a glass of water. After that, I pray and thank Allah for another beautiful day. Then, I prepare breakfast and enjoy tea while checking important messages on my phone. Sometimes, I listen to English podcasts during breakfast because they improve my listening skills. After getting ready, I leave for work or study with confidence and motivation. I always try to speak English during the day. Practicing small sentences daily helps me improve fluency, pronunciation, confidence, and communication skills naturally. Confidence practice. Confidence is extremely important when learning English speaking skills. Many students know grammar and vocabulary, but they feel nervous while speaking publicly. Fear stops improvement and reduces speaking opportunities. To become confident, practice speaking every single day without hesitation. Stand in front of a mirror and speak clearly about your daily activities, future goals, or favourite hobbies. Talking about family is very important to me because they support me during difficult and happy moments in life. We spend time together, share meals, and help each other whenever problems appear. My parents always encourage me to study hard and become successful in the future. I enjoy talking with my siblings because they make me laugh and feel relaxed after stressful days. Sometimes we watch movies together or visit relatives during weekends. Family teaches love, patience, kindness, and responsibility. I believe strong family relationships create happiness and peace in life. Talking about family in English improves communication skills and helps learners express emotions more naturally and confidently. Talking about family is very important to me because they support me during difficult and happy moments in life. We spend time together, share meals, and help each other whenever problems appear. My parents always encourage me to study hard and become successful in the future. I enjoy talking with my siblings because they make me laugh and feel relaxed after stressful days. Sometimes we watch movies together or visit relatives during weekends. Family teaches love, patience, kindness, and responsibility. I believe strong family relationships create happiness and peace in life. Talking about family in English improves communication skills and helps learners express emotions more naturally and confidently. Workplace communication is very important because teamwork depends on understanding and cooperation between employees. A professional worker should speak politely, listen carefully, and explain ideas clearly during meetings or discussions. Sometimes misunderstandings create problems between co-workers, but respectful communication solves many issues quickly. When speaking English at work, use simple sentences and professional vocabulary. Practice introducing yourself, discussing projects, and asking questions confidently. If you do not understand something, politely ask for clarification. Strong communication skills improve relationships with managers, clients, and colleagues. Speaking confidently at work increases leadership qualities, creates opportunities for promotions, and helps people achieve long-term professional success. Learning through mistakes. Mistakes are valuable because they help us learn and improve faster in life. Many students avoid speaking English because they fear making mistakes in front of others. However, mistakes are completely normal during the learning process. Every fluent speaker once struggled with grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary. Instead of feeling embarrassed, learn from each mistake carefully. Correct your pronunciation, repeat difficult words, and practice regularly until improvement becomes noticeable. Teachers and friends can also help identify speaking problems. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Always remember that improvement comes from effort, patience, and consistency. Successful learners never stop practicing because they understand mistakes create opportunities for growth. Shopping conversation. Yesterday, I visited a shopping mall to buy clothes and other useful items for daily life. The mall was crowded because many people were enjoying weekend shopping with family and friends. First, I entered a clothing store and looked for comfortable shirts and shoes. The salesperson welcomed me politely and showed different styles and colours. After selecting my favourite items, I compared prices carefully before making a decision. Then I visited a bookstore and purchased an English learning book for speaking practice. Shopping conversations improve vocabulary related to prices, products, and customer service. Practicing these situations helps learners communicate confidently in markets, malls, and international shopping centres. Friendship discussion. True friendship makes life beautiful because good friends support each other during difficult situations and happy moments. A real friend listens carefully, gives honest advice, and respects your feelings and opinions. Friends motivate us to become better people and help us achieve personal goals successfully. Spending time with positive friends improves confidence, reduces stress, and creates enjoyable memories. Sometimes misunderstandings happen between friends, but honest communication solves problems quickly. In English speaking practice, discussing friendship helps learners express emotions, opinions, and experiences naturally. Good communication strengthens relationships and builds trust. Always choose friends who encourage learning, positivity, kindness, honesty, and continuous self-improvement in every stage of life. Health and fitness. Health is one of the greatest blessings because a healthy body supports a happy and productive life. People should exercise regularly, eat balanced meals, and sleep properly every night. Drinking enough water also improves physical and mental health significantly. Many individuals ignore fitness because they become busy with work and responsibilities. However, daily exercise increases energy, reduces stress, and improves confidence. Walking, running, cycling, or stretching are simple activities that support good health. Speaking about health in English improves vocabulary related to fitness, nutrition, and wellness. Healthy habits create discipline and positivity. A strong body and peaceful mind help people achieve goals and enjoy life with happiness and motivation. Travelling experience. Travelling is an exciting experience because it allows people to explore new cultures, traditions, foods, and beautiful places. During vacations, families and friends enjoy visiting famous tourist attractions together. Travelling also improves communication skills because people interact with strangers from different backgrounds. Last year, I visited a beautiful city and enjoyed local food, historical buildings, and friendly people. I learned many interesting things during that journey. Sometimes travelling can be stressful because of traffic, weather, or unexpected problems, but memorable experiences make everything worthwhile. Speaking about travel in English helps learners practice storytelling, vocabulary, and confidence. Exploring different places broadens knowledge and creates unforgettable memories for everyone. Technology discussion. Technology has changed modern life completely because people use smartphones, computers, and the internet every day. Students learn online, employees work remotely, and families communicate through video calls easily. Technology saves time and provides information quickly, but excessive use can create distractions and unhealthy habits. Social media platforms connect people worldwide, although they sometimes reduce face-to-face communication. Learning English through technology is very useful because students can watch videos, listen to podcasts, and practice pronunciation online. Artificial intelligence and digital tools continue improving education and communication globally. Responsible use of technology increases productivity, creativity, and learning opportunities. People should balance online activities with healthy social interaction and outdoor experiences. Goal-setting practice. Setting goals gives direction and motivation because people understand what they want to achieve in life. Successful individuals create clear goals and work consistently every day to achieve them. Small daily improvements eventually produce significant results in the future. For example, practicing English for 30 minutes daily improves fluency over time. Writing goals in a notebook helps maintain focus and discipline. Sometimes challenges and failures appear during the journey, but determination helps people continue moving forward. Positive thinking also increases motivation and confidence. Discussing goals in English improves speaking fluency and vocabulary related to success, education, and personal development. Strong commitment and regular effort transform dreams into reality successfully. Public speaking practice. Public speaking is an important skill because it helps people communicate ideas clearly before audiences. Many individuals feel nervous while speaking publicly, but regular practice reduces fear gradually. Preparation is the key to successful presentations and confident communication. Before speaking, organize your ideas carefully and practice pronunciation several times. Maintain eye contact and speak slowly so listeners understand every word clearly. Body language also affects communication because confidence appears through posture and facial expressions. Public speaking skills improve leadership qualities and professional opportunities. Practicing speeches in English strengthens fluency, pronunciation, and vocabulary naturally. Remember that confidence grows through consistent effort, patience, and experience gained from speaking regularly before others. Positive thinking. Positive thinking changes life because a hopeful mindset improves confidence, motivation, and emotional strength during difficult situations. People who think positively focus on solutions instead of problems. They believe challenges create opportunities for learning and personal growth. Negative thoughts reduce confidence and stop people from achieving their goals successfully. To develop positivity, spend time with supportive individuals, read inspiring books, and practice gratitude daily. Speaking positive sentences also improves mental strength and communication confidence. English learners should encourage themselves regularly instead of fearing mistakes. Every day brings new opportunities for improvement and success. A positive attitude creates happiness, peace, strong relationships, and continuous personal development throughout life. Hello, how are you today? I hope you are feeling happy, healthy, and motivated to practice English speaking confidently. What did you do yesterday after work or school? Yesterday, I spent time reading an English book and practicing pronunciation exercises at home. That sounds interesting and productive. Which type of books do you enjoy reading during free time? I enjoy reading motivational books because they improve my thinking and communication skills significantly. Do you practice English speaking with friends or family members regularly? Yes, sometimes I practice simple conversations with friends because speaking regularly increases fluency and confidence naturally over time. Leadership skills. Leadership is an important quality because strong leaders inspire people and guide teams towards success effectively. A good leader communicates clearly, listens carefully, and treats everyone respectfully during discussions or decision-making. Leadership requires patience, confidence, responsibility, and problem-solving abilities. Many successful leaders continue learning and improving throughout their lives. Speaking English confidently also supports leadership because communication is essential in professional environments. Leaders motivate teams during difficult situations and encourage positive teamwork. They solve conflicts calmly and help others grow professionally. Practicing leadership discussions in English improves vocabulary, fluency, and confidence naturally. Strong leadership creates productive workplaces, healthy relationships, and opportunities for personal and professional development. Time management. Time management is extremely important because organized people complete tasks efficiently and reduce unnecessary stress in life. Many individuals waste valuable time using social media excessively or avoiding important responsibilities. Creating a daily schedule helps maintain focus and productivity throughout the day. Successful people prioritize important tasks and avoid distractions during work or study hours. Taking short breaks also improves concentration and mental performance. English learners should create a study routine for reading, listening, writing, and speaking practice daily. Consistent practice produces better results than irregular learning habits. Managing time wisely increases discipline, confidence, and opportunities for success in education, careers, and personal growth throughout life. Motivation and success. Success does not happen suddenly because it requires patience, discipline, hard work, and continuous improvement over time. Many successful people faced failures before achieving their goals. Instead of quitting, they learned valuable lessons from difficult experiences. Motivation helps people continue working even when progress feels slow or challenging. Reading inspiring stories and surrounding yourself with positive individuals increases determination naturally. English speaking practice also requires motivation because fluency develops gradually through regular effort. Celebrate small improvements and continue practicing confidently every day. Remember that every expert was once a beginner. Strong determination, positive thinking, and consistent action create success, confidence, happiness, and long-term personal development in life. Closing practice. Thank you for joining this English speaking practice session today. I hope these exercises improved your confidence, fluency, pronunciation, and communication skills naturally. Remember that speaking English daily is the best way to become fluent and confident over time. Practice simple conversations, listen carefully to native speakers, and continue learning new vocabulary regularly. Never fear mistakes, because mistakes help learners improve faster and gain valuable experience. Stay motivated, think positively, and believe in your abilities every single day. With patience, discipline, and regular practice, you can achieve excellent English speaking skills successfully. Keep learning, keep practicing, and continue moving toward your goals confidently.